Hello and welcome to this video. We're talking about G2A platform review, legit or scam. Before buying on this platform, do your own research and before take any action. So friends, this is an online e-commerce platform, sell a digital product, as you can see here, gift cards and subscriptions. You can buy a Game Pass or you can buy a subscription gift card and other stuff. You have Asana, Steam, gift cards, Binance. So the platform looks like a professional theme in this platform, as you can see here. The platforms offer different discounts. If I check the traffic on the similar web, as you can see here, I see almost top traffic 17.8 million. This is a huge number. The page visit 4.6, the bounce rate 38%. The top country is almost United States and Poland. As you can see here, that this is a high quality traffic on the top 5 countries. If I go to similar web or to Trust Payload, as you can see here, to check this platform, I see almost good review rating. As you can see here, 346,000 member review with good rating stars. I see good comments, easy process product, trusted, as you can see here, good services on this platform. So friends, you have, if I scroll down, you have a section contact as you can reach the support team. You have app on Google Play. You can download this app successfully. You have also an app store with the high download rate, as you can see here on this platform. Anyway, I give this platform almost 9 on 10, and this is only review video and education. Thanks for watching this.